Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Authenticator for LinkedIn 2-factor. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn website. Log into your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to your profile picture at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, locate and select Account Preferences. Scroll down to the two-step verification section. Click on Turn on next to two-step verification. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. After verification, select Setup for the authentication method. Choose the option for Authentication app. You'll see a QR code displayed on the screen. Now, open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, download Google Authenticator from your App Store. In Google Authenticator, tap the plus icon to add a new account. Select Scan a QR code. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your LinkedIn screen. Once the code is scanned, your LinkedIn account will appear in the Authenticator app with a time-based code. Return to the LinkedIn settings and click Verify to complete the setup. Enter the code generated in Google Authenticator into the LinkedIn verification field. Click on Verify to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation that two-step verification is now enabled. Make sure to save your backup codes, which are displayed on the screen. These codes can help you regain access if you lose your device. You have successfully authorized Google Authenticator for LinkedIn 2-factor protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.